everyone, this is Teresa Kasher, one of your Techtoses. I'm coming on to show you some great student data that we can grab from ClassLink and Clever to show us how our students are using the links and the resources that we've provided. So I'm on ClassLink right now, and I'm going to click at the very top left, the 3 bars, and there's something called My Analytics. So basic data will be in this section. It tells us about their logins. You can go do the chart, records, history, and the great thing is that you can even scroll down and see what browsers they're using. This is very helpful as we help them troubleshoot through some of the apps that they may or may not be able to get onto. You could also change your view from the different types of graphs, whatever you prefer. You could change the date range as well so that you could really zero in and see how much your students are using these apps. Okay, app history also tells us which apps are being used the most and how much time is being spent on them. So that is very basic information. We can get even more information here in the teacher console. So click on that, click on your class. So if you had added apps into your backpack, they would show up here in the apps. But don't worry about that if you haven't added anything, because we can get data in here for apps that are not even in the backpack. It's pure ClassLink usage. So when you click here on logins, you can see how many times and what days your students have logged in. So let's go ahead and choose last week. And you can see all of these students have logged in and the date they had logged in as well. Another great thing that this shows us is time in app. So how much time was used in these apps as well. So I can click on that, and then it tells me even what apps were being used at that time. So maybe I'm seeing this student use this app for quite a bit of time. I wonder what app it is. Oh, here we go. It tells me what apps were being used. So this is great information so that we know which students we need to reach out to, and we also can monitor that our students are using the apps that we want them to go to. Okay, so that is a lot of great information in here, but I know a lot of you are starting to use Clever, so we just wanted to show you in Clever. So let's wait for this to log on. We can go into Clever as well, and it could show us analytics right here at the top. We click on My Analytics, but all it basically tells us is how many times they've logged in. It doesn't give us any more information. So we can go ahead and go through that, and it just tells us pretty much the same information that ClassLink was telling us, but ClassLink tells us so much more. So we know things are changing. They might give us more information in the future, but at this point we do recommend that you use the data here within ClassLink right here in the 3 bars. So if you have any questions or information that you would like to know or learn more about, please let us know. Thank you.